Good day to all of you. Today we shall study quantitative aptitude in that arithmetic ability section. The topic being percentage. This is my fifth video on this topic, that is percentage part 5. Let us solve today's problems as to enhance our thinking ability. So when we can think better, then only we can analyze the problem and get the correct approach to the problem and solve the problem correctly in the given less time, which is required for qualifying in any competitive exam. Okay. So the first question is 65% of a number is 21 less than 4/5 of that number. What is the number? Okay. So if you read once again, 65% of a number. So 65% of a number, let us take it as x. It is 21 less, means this is smaller. So then another number is 4/5 of that number. 4/5 of x, that number means x. 4/5 means 4 divided by 5. Of that number means it is into x. So this number is more, this number is less than this by 21. Means this number, so this part minus 21 is equal to this number, because this number is less than this, means this number minus 21 is equal to this part. Now if you write the equation and simplify this, 65% upon 100, because 65% of means multiplied by, so x is there, so divided by 1 will be there. 4 by 5 of means into x is there, divided by 1, and this minus 21. Okay. Now here if you simplify left hand side, 65 into x is 65x, 100 into 1 is 100. So 65x upon 100 equal to, here 4 into x is 4x, 5 into 1 is 5, minus 21 means 21 divided by 1. Now we have to simplify this equation, right? Now this minus 21 upon 1 we will write other side, means it becomes plus, and this 4x this side only, so this we have shifted other side, it becomes plus, and 4x we have kept as it is, and this we transfer the other side, this plus becomes minus 65x upon 100, right? Taking LCM for 5 and 100, let us take LCM 100. So 5 20s are 100, so 100 ones are 100. So this 20 into 4, it is 80x. This 65 into x is here minus as it is 65x, that is 80x minus 65x, that is equal to 15x. 80x minus 65x is 15x, divided by this 100 as it is, that is equal to 21 by 1. Okay. So x equal to, we keep this only this side, we move this 100 other side, then it becomes 21 into 100, and we move this 15 other side, it goes to denominator, so 21 into 100 divided by 50. Now 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are, so 700 by 5. So 5 ones are here, then 5 ones are 2 is left, 5 4s are, then 0 is left, 140. Hence x is 140. So what is x that we have taken? X is a number. X we got 140. 65% of 140 means 65 upon 100 into 140. So 0 0 gets cancelled. 2 5s are 2 7s are. So 5 1s are 5 13s are. 13 into 7, that is 91. Okay. This side 4/5 of same number, 4/5 of that number. So 4/5 of 140 means 4 by 5 into 140 is equal to 5 ones are. Here 5 twos are 10, 4 is left, 5 eights are. Then 4 into 28 is 4 8 are 32. 3 carry you can give, 4 twos are 8, and this is 112. So 65% of a number is 21 less than 4/5 of that number. Means here this is less, 21 less than this. So 112 minus 91, if you do 2 minus 1 1. So 1 minus 9 you cannot do, take carry. So 11 minus 1 it is 21. 1 minus 1 is 0. And hence the answer is correct. What is correct? What x equal to 140 we have found is correct. So the answer is 140. So what is the answer here? So the number found is 140. In verification what we did, 65% of number means 65% of 140 is 91. Then 4/5 of that number, 4/5 of 140, that is 112. So 65% of a number, that is 91, is 21 less than this, and this is what we have found in cross verification also. Hence our answer is, what is the number means it is 140. That completes the solution of first problem. I hope you understood. Thank you.